Now we want to add 2 more of these. We want to ask a couple more questions. Was your order correct? And was your food hot? So we want to ask both those questions. So we're going to add 2 more sets of these. And I'm going to capture this. Each of them are going to be in their own row. So I'm going to capture all of that and come down and add 2 more. And we'll change the name. So this one said, was your service friendly? And then we want the second one to be, was your order correct? So we'll go in there, we'll put order correct. And the last one is, was your food hot? So we want to ask those. Now, if we save that, we come back and refresh, there we go, we have them. And now, but now notice the problem that we have. Now it's all one group. Remember that groups are made by matching names. So what we've done is we set all of these to be exactly the same name, right? So the input is S friend, S friend, S friend, S friend. So we've got 6 of them in the group. And that's not what we want. We want to be able to choose between, we want to choose yes here, no here, yes here, and we're not able to do that. So we want this to be a group, this to be a group, and this one to be a group. So to do this, we have to give them different names. So the first one, the first group, we want it to be S friend, so your service friendly, that's what we want it to be. But the second one, we want to give it a different name. So let's name it N or O correct. So was your order correct? So there we go, O correct. And we want it to be a group with that no. And then the last one where we want the food hot, we can simply say food hot. So we'll just call it food hot. And we want that one to be the same. So now we've created 3 groups, and that's because this one matches this, so that will be in a group. This name matches that one, so that will be in a group. And then this one matches this one, so that'll be in a group. So let's go ahead and save it and refresh. And there we have 3 different groups, so we can choose something different in each one. Now we still have one more problem, and that is, notice what happens when I click on this label. It changed the one up there. I click on this label, it changed the one up there. And that is because I didn't change the labels that I had connected. Remember that labels are not connected by where they're positioned. They're actually connected with that for attribute. So we want to make sure and fix that part. So here we have, was your service friendly? And that's going to be okay because we have the for equal to the FES here and the one FES there. Okay, so see how we've broken the ID rule? IDs are supposed to be unique, but we have an ID FES here and here and here. So we actually have 3 of them. So we want to change that. So here one of the hazards of copy paste, right? We want to say C yes and C no. And then we want to make the labels connect C yes and C no. So they're connected there. And down here we want to do the same thing, but now we'll do H yes and H no, and then we'll make those labels H yes and H no match. All right, so let's save that and refresh. And now we'll make sure our labels actually, oh, sure enough, those ones match, and those ones match. So there we have 3 groups of radio buttons. Each one can be done independently.